This video is brought to you by PCD Business Solutions. Today, we're diving into habits that could be slowly destroying your precious tech. Is your computer slower than it used to be, crashing randomly, heating up for no reason? Chances are it's your own habits that are slowly destroying it. So let's break down these 5 common tech habits that are secretly destroying your computer and, more importantly, how to fix them. Alright, first up we've got the update snoozer. You know that little pop-up that says, update available, and you're just like, remind me later. But here's the thing, those updates, especially for your operating system, are not just about adding new emojis or fancy wallpapers. They're often patching security holes, fixing bugs, and improving performance. Ignoring updates is like leaving your front door unlocked and hoping for the best. So, next time you see that update notification, don't hit remind me later, just install it and let your computer do its thing. Next up we've got the risky downloader. We're talking about downloading files from shady websites that promise you free movies, music, or software. But here's the catch. Nothing in life is truly free. These sites often come with viruses or malware. Stick to trusted sources like official websites or well-known app stores. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Just hit that back button and you'll be good to go. Now let's talk about the digital hoarder. Your desktop is a sea of icons, your downloads folder is overflowing, and you haven't seen your actual desktop background in years. Your computer is like a real-world room. If you keep cramming more stuff into it, it's going to get cluttered and slow. A cluttered hard drive can lead to slower performance and system crashes. So do yourself, and your computer, a favor, and have a digital decluttering session. Get rid of those files you haven't touched in years, and uninstall those programs you never use. Moving on to the dust magnet. When was the last time you actually cleaned your computer? Not just wiping down the screen, but a deep clean. Dust and particles can build up inside your computer, especially in the vents and fans. This buildup can cause overheating, which can damage your computer's internal components. Give your computer a good cleaning every few months. Use a can of compressed air or a soft cloth and rubbing alcohol. Trust me, your computer will thank you. And last but definitely not least, we have the security daredevil. This is the person who uses the same weak password for everything, or worse, no password at all. Using strong, unique passwords, being cautious about what you click on, and having a good antivirus program are essential for protecting yourself and your data. Think of it as an investment in your digital well-being. So, are you guilty of any of these habits? Don't worry, we've all been there. But fixing them now can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Taking care of your computer doesn't have to be complicated. A few simple changes can make a world of difference. We offer affordable IT support plans for home users and small businesses. PCD Business Solutions. Call us today, 305-827-2327.